Tear it open. Well, leave it flat. Oh, it was. There.
Diamonds may be precious, but a daughter like you is priceless. Thanks, Mom.
Mom, get out of the shot. Nobody wants to see you inside of the video camera.
Here. Oh, my baby boy.
All right, come on.
Have a kiss.
Come on, Trey, open the box. Who cares about the wrapping?
Oh, never mind.
Slow down.
Take his time.
What happened to the knife?
Rip it off. Quit being gentle.
Don't get rid of my box.
She just threw a knife at him.
Yeah, but I laid it down.
Hmm.
Here, here's that.
Yeah, really. Throw it. Wait, let me open my mouth.
Use the muscle, care. Pull it all the tape off.
Today is going to be epic. Quaker Oats.
Come on, bud.
Oh, Robbie's trying.
Uh-oh. What could be in that box?
Boxes on top of boxes, Dad.
Okay, scoot over this way.
Boy, somebody took the time wrapping that, didn't they? Duct taping it up, yellow taping it. You got yellow taped off, son. Looks like there's another box inside of that box, too. Shit, that's 3 boxes. Damn. What happened to that one?
Put the knife down.
Yeah, don't be shaking it with the knife.
Towards your eyes.
Put that. There you go.
Do not go.
Uh-oh, what's in there?
Trey, what is that?
You're so close, but yet you're so far.
Another box. I wonder who wrapped that with.
I don't know. Cut all the tape off, though. Uh-oh. 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 Did he get it? Huh? Uh-oh.
Got what? What'd you get?
What'd you get, dog? What is it?
How can we have to hold on? You can't tell us.
Why don't you just say what you got?
I know. What's on the box?
Just rip it off. You're acting like a little girl. Oh.
Show him.
Let me see.
Why?
Oh, yay!
Oh, open it. Let's see it.
You must have been a good boy.
I heard you were a good boy, but I don't know. We'll see how good of a boy you were.
Trey, were you a good boy? Huh?
Trey, it took you 10 seconds to open that box. It's taking you a minute to open that.
He wants to keep the box. He don't want to tear it all up.
Oh, well, open it up. Come on.
The instructions.
Oh, what? There's no Xbox in there. Oh, no 360.
What?
Hey, what happened, dog? Is there gifts in there?
Oh,
Right there in the green. The green.
what is it?
Candy. I think you got a Hot Wheel car or something.
What is that?
Well, yeah, what's in there? Another Hot Wheel car. A
Oh.
Diet 7-Up?
What's the matter?
Oh.
Trey, come here.
This is
Trey.
shame on both of you.
Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Hurry up.
Oh man, he's never gonna forget that shit.
No.
Never.
Steven, change the 360 bag. That's the only way you're going to get that.
No, I got it. Don't worry. Trey Bug, why are you mad?
Get out of here!
Why are you mad?
Get out of here!
Hey, get up right now and come out here with me. You still have more presents to open, dude. Hey, come on. Trey, come on. I gotta hurry up with this video. Come look at the rest of the stuff, and then you come back in here and pout if you want to. Man, if I gotta get you up, you're not gonna like me. Come on. Come on, man. You got 3 more gifts to open, and that's it. And then you can come in here and pout if you want to. 3 more.
Here.
Here, hold on. Wait.
No, just open that one.
Nope. Here.
Sit right here.
Just sit right down right there, bud, and open that one. What's all that? Huh? What is all that?
Open that one.
What is that?
What are they? Games.
Open that. Nope. Open the next blue one.
Oh, sorry. No.
So why did you get all the games?
Why'd you get all the games?
Hello?
Talk to your brother.
Trey. Why did you get all the games?
I haven't opened them all.
Why are you so mad? Because you didn't get a 360? Huh?
Dump it out. Rip it. Tear it.
Open the box.
There, that's what I'm talking about. What's all that?
What's all that?
Rip it.
What is it?
What is it? Come on, man. What is it?
I got it. I got it. Stop.
What was it? What's that?
Controller.
Well, why would you get all that if you didn't get a 360?
You don't know?
Well, you got 1 bag left.
What's the last bag? Hold the cord.
That's weird that you got all those, but you didn't get a 360.
How come?
I don't know. Maybe he's a bad kid.
Maybe they run out.
Maybe he didn't deserve it.
Oh, maybe you just got the cord.
Maybe he just didn't get one.
Maybe you just didn't get the 360.
Maybe he just didn't get a 360 this year. What's that?
What is it? A game?
What is it, a board game or something? What's that?
What's that? What is it? Show him.
Let me see. Let me see. I want that smile now. Yeah. Yeah. No more crying, huh?
Is that
Ah!
what you wanted, baby?
Are you
I got him good.
right now?
Come give me a hug.
Papa
Come on.
asking you something.
Get up.
Okay, you don't want to go back and cry now?
Yeah, you want to go cry now? Come give me a hug.
Say, brother, that was a mean joke, brother. Oh.
All right, bud. I'll leave you alone now.